So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's session we will learn how we can connect i2c display with Raspberry Pi. So this is a very simple project that we have to connect that i2c display with Raspberry Pi. In this video we will cover how we can connect all these pins. Like you can see there are 4 pins and behind this display there is a i2c module. How to connect the i2c module with Arduino. Then also we will see the programming part of this project. Also we will see very important part, like up till now I have used GPIO display that you can see on the screen, but I got many reply from the student like, sir, that display connection is very difficult, so can you use the i2c display? So I accept the request, I order the i2c display. In this video we also see how you can replace that display, GPIO display, with this i2c display, how you can reprogram my existing project so that it can use i2c display. So that is whole part we will see in this video. So I request you please watch this complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this i2c display. Now we will see the hardware connection. We require Arduino board, then we require the LCD module, that is 16:2, and we require the i2c module. You can see this is the i2c module, you can purchase from the Amazon. So I just purchased this i2c module because I already have 16:2 GPIO display with me. So no need to purchase again this display. If you have already, just purchase this i2c module, the link given in the description. So from the Amazon you can purchase this i2c module. Okay, and then you require 4 pins only. You can see these are the 4 pin, male to female, you require for the connection. Okay, so we will see in depth from the starting. So basically your 16:2 display having 16 pin here, you can see, and that 16 pin you have to connect with the i2c display, i2c module. So this is the i2c module. So how to connect? Just like this, and from the point 1 you can connect this, sorry, like this. From the point 1 you can connect this till your 16 pin, like this. Or you can use breadboard also to connect this pin, no issue. Only point that need to be understand here, this knob is used, actually this knob is used for to adjust the brightness or adjust the brightness of this LCD. So if you are not able to see your word on the display after flashing the program, just adjust this knob with the screwdriver, like this. You can adjust the knob like this. Okay, so this is the port. Now please make attention here, this point of i2c display, this point of i2c display should be at this side of LCD only. So you can see this is the LCD, my LCD. If I take this LCD and if I move this, then this point should be at this point, that side, and this point should be at this side. You can see this side only. So like this your display should be looks like. Because I made one mistake, I have connected this display like this, sorry, this i2c module like this. I can show you what mistake I done, so that this mistake you will not repeat in future. Okay, so if you connect this i2c module like this, you can see now i2c module is outside of LCD. If you connect like this, then your LCD will not work. So make sure that your i2c module should be inside of LCD, like this, inside of LCD. So like this, it should not be visible after you connect. So like this you can connect the i2c module, and now there are 4 pins on the i2c module. You can easily see it is 4 pins, that is, those are 4 pins are VCC, ground, SDA and SCL, very simple pins you have to connect. So basically another way you can remember this pin connection, this model, like how to connect, very easy. You can see there is a square box on this I2C model. You can see on the first pin there is a small square box. So this is the first pin of I2C model, and your LCD first pin should be connected to this square box. So this is my LCD first pin. You can see this is LCD first pin. So LCD first pin should be connected to square box pin of I2C model. So that is very easy to like remember. So this also you can follow. Arduino pin, you can see we have to use these two pins, this pins and this pin. The circuit connection diagram you can see on the screen. So that circuit connection you have to follow. I just show you the SCL pin. This is the SCL pin, this is the SDA pin, then this is the ground pin, this is the 5V pin. That's 4 pins you have to use one by one. So it is very simple. You can follow that circuit diagram which is on the screen. So first I connect the SCL. You can see SCL pin I have connected. SCL first pin is SCL, and now Arduino first pin from here. You can see Arduino first pin, this pin from the button, first pin is SCL pin. So just connect that pin with the SCL again. So like here. So SCL pin, you can see SCL connected. Now next pin is SDA pin. You can see on the screen next pin is SDA. So SDA connect this pin, SDA, and Arduino second number pin, this pin, Arduino second number pin near to the SCL pin, that is the SDA pin. So connect that pin with the SDA like this. Very simple connection. Now this part is completed. Now VCC and ground. So take the VCC pin from the I2C model. So I can see, you can see here. So you can see here I have connected VCC pin and Arduino 5V pin easily available on the Arduino board. 5V pin, just connect to the 5V pin here. So this is ground and then 5V, and same here is ground pin from the I2C model. So you can see ground pin I have connected. So ground pin, just connect the ground pin of Arduino. That's it only. That's it, the simple connection. I hope you understand the simple connection of this project. So I hope you understand the simple connection of this project. It is very simple. Just connect the model backend of this LCD, then connect the SCL pin to SCL, SDA to SDA, then ground pin to ground, and VCC to 5V. That's it only. Circuit diagram you can see on the screen that you need to follow, and then you can use the VS Arduino pin to give the power supply to Arduino here. So like this you can provide the power supply, and once you provide the power supply you can see hello Rahul word is printing. So that means our circuit connection is working very accurately. Now we will see the program part. Okay, now we will see the programming part of this project first. So very important, you should download this folder from my web page link. So web page link you can see in the description. So from the description there is one link on the web page. After you click on that link, this folder will be downloaded. This folder will be in the zip file. You have to unzip that one. So once you unzip go inside that folder. So you will find two folder. First is find address and second is hello world. So basically find address folder, it is used to find out the address of I2C model. So because each and every I2C model has its own unique address that we have to provide in our project. So to find out your address, you should use this find address model program. So okay, so these two program you need. After that, very important part is you have to install the i2c library. So which i2c library you have to install, I will show you. So you can see this is the screenshot I have taken while installing the i2c library. So liquid crystal i2c, you have to click on this library manager. I will show you. So first connect the internet to your laptop. After you connect internet to laptop, open the Arduino software, Arduino IDE. So if you don't have this Arduino IDE software in your laptop, then please watch my accident detection video. Thumbnail you can see on the screen. So in that video I told you how to install this Arduino IDE software in your laptop. Okay. So after you open the Arduino IDE, just go to the sketch. After the sketch, go to the include library. Then after that click on this manage library. Okay, after that this window will be open. Wait for some second, this download library index will be completed. So wait for some second, so it will complete this process. Okay, after this process completed, you have to type this keyword that is shown on the screen. You can see liquid crystal i2c. So this keyword you will find in the program. Automatically, you can see if you open the program in notepad file, right click, open with notepad. So liquid crystal i2c, just copy this first line keyword like this, copy this and put into your, you can see liquid crystal I have put there. So it will take some time again find out this library present in your library manager or not. So wait for some second. So once you type keyword, you can see this liquid crystal i2c. Yeah, if that keyword is not found, just remove that this underscore from here, and liquid crystal i2c also you can search. So once you search liquid crystal i2c, you can see this library. You will find there is one option, install button. You can see this like option. Just take the latest version and click on install button. So once you install, you will find your library in go. If you want to check your library is installed or not, just go to the file and go to the example, and after that example you will find at the bottom liquid crystal i2c. So if that comes, that means your library gets successfully installed in your laptop for i2c module. Okay, so this is the one process that you have to do. Okay, now you have to open the program, the find the address. So just go to the file, click on open, and after that wherever you have saved your program i2c module, just go to that program. So Arduino i2c find address, this one you can open. So once you open, you can see this program will be find the address of your module and it print on the serial monitor. So once you do the connection, just connect this USB cable to your laptop. Okay, once you connect your Arduino, just check your tools. Here Arduino board should be selected. From the Arduino here you can see AVR board, and your COM port as per your laptop COM port here automatically selected. So that is the common process. Then after that, just click on this upload button. So once you do upload, it will take some time, 1 to 2 minute time. Okay, once upload, just click on this serial terminal from here, and here baud rate should be 9600. Here you can see the setting, and then you can see address is 27. So if my i2c model is working correctly, even if your display is damaged, but i2c model working correctly, then you will see here address 27. So that is the i2c model address. So this number you have to remember. Okay, after that just go to the file, click on open, and now select this program hello world and click on this hello world, click on open. So after that program open, this is the main program which display the word or sentence on the LCD. Okay, so here first line is hash include that library liquid crystal.h library that we are using for our project. Then second we have to display we have to define the i2c address. 27 is the address of our i2c model. Then 16 by 2 is the LCD that we are using. So while loop we are initializing the LCD, then we are turning on the backlight. So that is two simple statement. LCD clearing, then on the zeroth row, zeroth column and zeroth row we have to print hello, and on second row first column we are printing the hello. So just Rahul, hello Rahul, that two word will be print. So if you want to upload this code, just click on this upload button, and once you upload done, your you can easily see the hello Rahul on the LCD. So that is the very simple way and simple easy program how to upload the code on the LCD, and idea behind this 2716 number, what is the idea, why it is used, so that I explain you in depth. Okay, now very important part is we have to see how you can change my existing code that use the GPIO LCD with this i2c model, that we will see now. Okay, so let's start the very important main part of this video, that replace the LCD GPIO LCD with the i2c LCD from the code. So live I will show you where and which line you have to replace. Okay, first we will take one sample project, electronic coating machine project, that project that we developed last week only. So in that project I use the GPIO LCD, but now I replace that LCD with the i2c model. So I will open this code. So just go to the file, click on open, and paste, and this program will be open. Okay, now I will click on this save as button, so I don't want to disturb my existing project. Save as, then i2c display EVM with the i2. So this is the reference code for you. So if you want to replace, how you can check this reference code also and compare with your existing project. Okay, so first line we have to remove these two lines because that is for the GPIO. So I will put like this. So this is my GPIO code, and this is my this is my the I2C code, and this is my the GPIO code. So these two lines we don't require, so just replace this. And then this pin number you can also no need, because this is used for the LCD, and now LCD GPIO, so we are not using, so these pins are free. So this pin you can use for the other sensor also. So I will replace this like this. So whatever the LCD part I replace with the I2C and liquid crystal with this. Okay, then after that, here you can see LCD begin. We have to replace this, delete this, print we can set there, display we can set. Now in the void setup, you can see void setup, we have to call this initialization LCD model. So our this is GPIO code, just focus, this is GPIO code, this is I2C code. I am replacing GPIO code with the I2C. So GPIO, I am adding this LCD init function, then LCD backlight, this also I need to add here. Okay, then after that you can see, if I want to print something on the I2C display, then I have to use LCD set cursor 00. If I want to display on the 0th row and 0th column, so I will use this two line LCD clear and this before print. And then LCD set cursor, you can see LCD set cursor same one, then LCD print, same LCD print, and then LCD set cursor 32. So no need to replace anything, that's it only I think you have to do. And then after that you can just click on this verify button. So if there is error it will show, otherwise it will print EVM machine on the LCD. So that's it, only two lines we change. So once you compile, it should run. We will upload this project on our Arduino and just see whether it should print the electronic out machine on the Arduino. So just click on this upload button. Okay, I will show you, it's printing now. You can see enter your face. I will power supply remove, I can add. You can see electronic and scan your face. Voting machine not place. Just we will just cross verify. Voting machine is not printing. We will just verify why it is not printing. LCD set cursor we set to the 00, and then we have to set cursor again here, 0th row and first like this, because you can see if we want to print I2C display code here, you can see if we want to print on the second row, then we have to give 0th column and second row. So whenever there is a code, just check whether you have again same mistake here. LCD print taken. Yeah, here also you have to change 0th row and the first row and 0th column. Set cursor so that it will print winner name, otherwise it will not print winner name. Again just scan. Is there anything like 32 we already print? So just find this. LCD set cursor. Find 0th row. Yeah, 0th row 1. Yeah. So now it is looks good. Now I will again upload the code, and again we will verify it is printing on the second row or not. So we will see on live. Okay, it's done. Now I will again show you. So I will put the power supply off. I will give power on. You can see electronic voting machine. So it is printing as per our expectation. And now I will print the winner name. So winner name is Congress. You can see. So our perfect. So perfectly our project is working as per our expectation. We replace the GPIO board with the i2c. I hope you understand the complete process, complete flow. If you like the content, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this video.